everybody, Joe here at Black and Blue with the next installment on Garlic Fest Stinky Garlic Cocktail Contest. Let's go inside and see what the bartender has created for us. So we're here at Black and Blue with Thomas, the bartender, and he has created a stinky garlic cocktail for our contest, and it's called, Marcel?
A spicy garlic passion margarita.
Sounds more passionate when he says it. Anyway, we're going to have him show you how to make this cocktail, and if this is your favorite cocktail, be sure and go to the link and press like to say that you'd like him to be the winner. Thomas?
Alright, so first thing we're going to do is rim the glass. So over here I have a couple things. This is garlic simple syrup that Marcel made. And this is just a blend of sugar and cayenne. So you can actually just 50-50 blend that yourself. So what we're going to do is, instead of using like a lime or regular sugar, we're using the garlic simple to rim this glass. And generally when you rim a glass, I'll just tap it so there's nothing on the inside that's getting in the drink. Alright, this drink actually starts with mezcal. So instead of tequila, we use mezcal. If you don't know a lot about mezcal, it's just smokier than tequila because of the way that it's made. And that's actually the liquor that has the worm in the bottom, not tequila. So we're gonna do about an ounce and a half of that. Then right here we have passion fruit. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of that. And there's all sorts of passion fruit that you can probably buy, but I like to buy the ones that like you generally find at corner stores and stuff like that, like Goya. Those are good. So this is the garlic simple syrup that we just rimmed the glass with. We're gonna do slightly less than an ounce of this. It is garlicky and it is sweet, so you don't want to go overboard. All right, and then we thought about muddling jalapenos, but actually when you shake these jalapenos just in the drink, you get enough of the spice. So we're gonna add 2 jalapenos, and then just shake it nice and good. And then it's always good to strain it into fresh ice. But for this, we're gonna actually double strain it, just because you don't want any of the little bits of jalapeno to get into your mouth while you're drinking. There you go. A little straw. And that's what's the name of that drink?
Spicy garlic passion margarita. Spicy garlic passion margarita. Okay, Joe.
Okay.
Go for it now.
I'm going to have a taste of this. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, it's really delicious. Now, am I supposed to drink it so I get some of this?
Yeah, if you want. Sometimes people like to drink a little from one spot and then not from the spot.
Oh, that makes it even spicier. Wow. Thomas, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Delicious. So remember, everybody, if this is your favorite drink, like it in the video to vote for Thomas as the winner.